Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable run menu from start menu in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand user configuration. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand start menu and taskbar. Open Remove Run menu from start menu. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.